Have you ever wondered what transpires behind the scenes of the illustrious IPL auction? Well, today, we are diving deep into the chronicles of the IPL 2024 auction, unfolding the saga from the auction date to the final results. We'll commence this riveting tale from the day the gavel first fell, the 19th of December, 2023. The event was hosted in the shimmering city of Dubai, making it the first IPL auction to take place outside the Indian subcontinent. The auction saw a whopping 333 players up for grabs, including 214 Indian and 119 foreign players. The 10 teams had 77 slots to fill, 30 of which were reserved for overseas talent. Now, let's talk about the big fish. Mitchell Starc set a new IPL record, becoming the most expensive player in the history of IPL auctions. Kolkata Knight Riders secured Starc for a staggering 24.75 crore, outbidding the previous record held by Sam Curran, who went for 18.5 crore in the 2023 auction. However, not all stars had their day. Prominent players like Steve Smith, Michael Bracewell, Josh Hazlewood, and Josh Inglis, surprisingly, went unsold. Moving on to the changes in the support staff, Justin Langer replaced Andy Flower as the head coach of Lucknow Super Giants, while Andy Flower stepped into Sanjay Banger's shoes as the head coach of Royal Challengers Bangalore. Gautam Gambhir was appointed as the mentor of Kolkata Knight Riders, and Brian Lara was replaced by Daniel Vittori as head coach of Sunrisers Hyderabad. Captaincy changes were also in full swing. Kane Williamson took over the reins of Gujarat Titans from Hardik Pandya, who was acquired by Mumbai Indians. Shreyas Iyer returned as the captain of Kolkata Knight Riders after recovering from a back injury, replacing Nitish Rana. And in a surprising turn of events, Rohit Sharma was replaced by Hardik Pandya as the captain of Mumbai Indians. This year also brings a new playing condition to the field. Bowlers are now permitted to deliver 2 bouncers and over, a change that was trialed during the 2023-24 Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, India's domestic T20 tournament. In conclusion, the IPL 2024 auction was a roller coaster of surprises, record-breaking bids, and strategic changes. From the first gavel drop in Dubai to the final team selections, it was a spectacle of strategic planning, intense competition, and of course the love of cricket. So are you ready for the thrill of the upcoming IPL season?